Yes, we are live. Hello, guys. Hi, welcome to this session. This is a session wherein we're announcing our brand new batch for May June 2023 examination of CA Foundation. We are still not sure about whether the examination will happen in the month of May or June. As per our existing track of what happened this time and the previous time, exam should happen in the month of June, but you never really know until it's official. So, this is the batch of Yehsas Academy on the Unacademy platform for exclusive English classes for the course of CA Foundation. We have with us today Nitika Bachhawat ma'am, faculty for law, and we also have Shandar Ahmed sir, our economics and BCK faculty. And Anil sir, who takes up quant, math, stat, and LR, is not here with us in this session today. But we always believe that the team is always together, no matter whether they make their presence virtually available or not. So, Shan sir, over to you. What do you have to say about the new batch that we're launching for May 2023?
Yeah, and Yehsas Academy, of number one in southern India. So it's like best of both the worlds coming together, and all the faculties associated with Yehsas Academy will come on an academy platform. And we all know that they have tons of experience, and tens of thousands of students have successfully become CA under their guidance. So it's going to be a really it's going to be a fun session for all of us, wherein we will not only learn about the subject matter but also a lot of other things that which are equally important as a CA aspirant. So that's what I'm looking for.
Really nice, sir. We just finished one batch for December 2023. Students are very accelerated and they're looking forward for their examination. It really feels nice to see students excited about examination that way. And I hope the same legacy is continued down to our June 2023 or May 2023 attempt as well. And we have with us Nitika ma'am today, who will be handling your law papers. Ma'am, what do you have to say about our upcoming June 2023 attempt of CA Foundation?
Obviously, hi, good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. You have covered up almost everything. So, yes, one thing is there the batch is structured, it's in a structured manner. So, you don't have to really run here and there trying to cover up the classes and everything. You get everything here at one place in a structured manner. PDFs are there, unlimited access you have to the recorded classes also. So, you're actually getting the best in the best possible way.
I like the way how ma'am put it across, saying you'll get the best in the best way possible. So not just the content is best, but the way it will be put across is also very best. Because if the content is just good, but it's not put it across in the really best way, you might not get the best. So the batch is starting on 10th of November, exactly 2 days from today. So please spread the word. If you are an aspirant writing examination May 2023, you must enroll for our batch. If not, please do spread the word across your friends who are looking forward this batch. So in this batch of CA Foundation, you get to learn from the team of Yehsas Academy, as we just mentioned. I'm CA Rajavardhan, an exclusive educator on Unacademy for classes of CA Foundation, Inter, and both groups of Inter in Unacademy platform. So you get to learn accounts from me. Anil sir will be handling your mathematics, statistics, and logical reasoning. And you also heard ma'am now. Nitika Bachhawat ma'am will be handling your law. And we have Shandar Ahmed sir will be handling your economics and BCK. Pooja Chatwani ma'am will be handling your BCR. And the schedule is like this. Anil sir would be starting off with the classes on 10th of November, and our classes are in the evening. It's going to be 2.5 hours class starting at 3 p.m., which goes from 3 to 5:30, half an hour break till 6, and the next session starts from 6 to 8:30. And the classes would go down till the month of April, sorry, maybe March, sir, and we'll be finishing entire syllabus. And after November 10th, Anil sir's classes, I would be taking few sessions starting December 7th. We have Nitika ma'am's classes for law starting from November 21st, and Shan sir will be helping you with economics and BCK starting from November 29th. Uh, Shan sir, can you help the students with the advantages of an Academy Plus subscription and Iconic
Yeah,
subscription?
sure, sir. Best part about this platform is that you'll not feel the difference wherein whether it's a face-to-face class or online classes, because the class is going to be very interactive. You can raise your hand and ask through a voice chat if you are not comfortable with writing your doubts. you can watch the classes unlimited number of times. So if suppose we always suggest to watch the classes live in order to build a discipline. But let's say, for example, if you miss 1 or 2 days of classes, you can watch the recorded sessions, and on top of that, these recorded sessions are available to you till the end of your subscription, so you can watch it for revision purpose as well. There'll be an open house, digital notes will be provided to you, and you will become obviously with a part of the Unacademy community where you can interact with the peers and the faculties on various groups. And as far as iconic benefits are concerned, it's a flagship program. There are two programs, Plus and Unacademy Iconic. So in Iconic, you'll get all the features of Plus subscription, but you'll get also one-to-one live mentorship wherein you can book your slot, and the faculties, they will come and clear your doubt, any doubt under the sun with regard to the subject. If you're nervous before the examination, how to prepare, what should the strategy and everything. And additionally, you will get printed study materials, and you will have also an exclusive doubt solving session. So it will have all the features of Plus, but also you'll have additional features for in Iconic subscription.
Thank you, sir, for helping us with that. And as sir mentioned, attending live classes is of great importance because anything that's not live is evil. The live word read across is what we all believe in. And once you come to few of our live classes, definitely you wouldn't miss and you wouldn't want to watch the sessions recorded. But you always have the option to watch the sessions recorded. And that's with regard to plus and iconic benefits. And before you take up any of our subscriptions, what I would recommend you people to do is please go ahead and then watch all our team members special classes. You would like the way it not just right, you would love the way how we teach, and trust me, you would end up joining for this very batch. And we also get one-to-one live mentorship in iconic if you have any anxiety during at any point of your preparations. This is for the people who are writing their examination in the month of December 2022. There are evaluated mock test series happening for free of cost on the Unacademy platform, which you can definitely sign up for. A similar version of test series would always be there in the month of April, May for your June 2023 examination as well. And the subscription details are this way. Nitika ma'am, will you be able to help us with this subscription
I
details?
cannot even see anything. Yes, sure, sir. Thank you. So if you are taking up the Plus subscription, we have three options for you here: 12, 18, and 24 months. The 12 months is 1567 per month, 18 months is 1250 per month, and 24 months is 1063 per month. This is for your Plus subscription.
And I would take you to iconic. Yes.
The iconic subscription is again 12, 18, and 24 months, where 12 months is 2625 per month, 18 months is 2139.
And these are the prices that you need to pay to take up our subscription. And don't forget to use the code Yehsas, which is YESHAS, because using which you will get 10% off on the prices that you just saw on the screen. So me, Shandar sir, Nitika ma'am, Mayur sir, along with Anil sir, all of us will be very eagerly waiting in our plus classes to see you all join us. And so let's have fun, let's learn, let's crack CA Foundation together, and we'll be hoping to teach you all in CA Inter as well once you clear your foundation. Sir, ma'am, any last words from your side for the people who are aspiring to become a chartered accountant and willing to join this batch of CA Foundation?
Waiting to see you all in the live classes.
Shan sir.
Same here. All right. So let's get together. Let's crack this. No examination is difficult. So let's get together and work hard, and let's crack it.
Let's crack it. Yeshas for your victory. See you all in the game. Till then, stay in the game.